you want an alternative to window tint, or if you have window tint and you want it a little bit darker, in this video I'm going to show you what I've got because I don't have window tint, and this might work for you. So I never bothered to get window tint with my car, and I'll show you what I've got instead. So as you can see, the front's pretty see-through. You can see straight through the other side. But on this side, sorry, on the rear, you can't see through. And this is what I've got. They're called snap-in shades. So the particular brand I use are snap shades. And you can see through one side okay, obviously because of the way the light's hitting. If I go around the other side, well, you can see through because the light's on the other side, but if I close the door, you can't really see in all that well. And these ones literally just snap into place. So the reason why I got these is because I've got 2 kids. They make a mess of my car, but that's alright. And these just protect them from a bit of sunlight. I can remove them if I want, and it's no real big dramas. You can get ones for the rear, but they cost a little bit more. So even if you do have window tint, these might protect, give you a little bit of extra sunlight blockage, but these work for me. So there's an alternative to window tint. It makes your back glass a lot harder to see through if you want it darker than just your regular tint. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already as well, by the way, because I've got other videos that might be able to help you. So once again, this is without the sunshade protection, and this is the sunshade protection. You can get them for all different cars and they'll fit the window perfectly, and they're just a really easy fit. Make sure you keep watching for the next video.